Hey everybody, it's Rebecca Eunice, co-founder of Eunice & Associates CPA, and here are 3 quick tips to making your tax filing season a little bit easier. Number 1 is call and book your appointment. It is not too early. And I know what you're going to say. No, I'm going to wait until I have all my information. Because a lot of our clients used to do that. And then what would happen is they'd call us and we couldn't see them right away. Because we're tax professionals and we have lots of clients. So we had to push them out. So to secure the perfect day, time, day of the week, date, whatever, call now and book the appointment. It doesn't matter if you show up and you don't have everything. You can just send it later. All right. Number 2 is open the mail. I know that sounds so simple, but first and foremost, most of you take those items that are marked important tax document with perforated, edges, and you just toss it aside, ready for the accountant. It better be in your BFF CPA folder. That's all I'm saying. But anyway, open it up. You want to know why you want to open that up? Is because today there's so many errors that we see with Social Security numbers on there, and the actual numbers that are on the W-2s and 1099s are not always accurate. Okay, and you'll know obviously if they're way out of whack. You want to open those up because if there is something wrong with those statements, you need ample time to get back to that company in order to reissue before your appointment with your accountant, okay? Also, you want to open the mail because most mortgage companies are not sending out that 1098 in a separate important tax envelope any longer. They're sticking them in with the January statement. And so many of our clients last year, I guess, because they do online bill pay and they can view their statements online, they just rip them up and throw them. Okay, but that 1098 was in there. And then they had to sit on the phone with the mortgage company for a very extended period of time because this time of year they're busy getting those calls in just to get the information. So open up the mail. And last but not least is substantiation. We have to have receipts, especially for charitable contributions. We need a canceled check. We need a statement from the organization indicating when you made the donation, how much you made for the donation, signed by that organization. Maybe you give a monthly donation to the United Way and it hits your credit card every single month. We have to see it. Just have to. It's new law. Also with non-cash contributions, you no longer can just drop it off, get a stamped receipt blank, and take it into us. We have to see it itemized. Not only itemized, you have to extend the value of what you're claiming on that sheet of paper and total it on the bottom. That also has to be on the charitable organization's pro forma letterhead, the signature on the bottom. Okay, it's not just take what I did last year as a charitable contribution any longer, guys. Also, if you have a Schedule E for rental property or a Schedule C, your BFF CPA or tax professional needs to see those receipts as well. All right, there's your 3 quick tips. I hope they served you. Call your tax professional if you have any questions whatsoever. And if you don't have one, give us a call. We're always on the other end of the phone.